Same university, same department, same graduation year, same CGPA of 4.2. Student A, I deserve that shell job. Look at my grades, student B. Let me show what I can do for them. 6 months later, student A is still job hunting. Student B is leading a 50 million project in Shell, Nigeria. What made the difference? It wasn't intelligence. It wasn't connections. It was the deadliest mindset virus killing Nigerian careers faster than any recession today. We're performing surgery on your brain. Let me diagnose the virus. Listen to these actual statements from Nigerian graduates. I have a first class from Unilag. Why should I start as an intern? Every one of those statements was at his career suicide. They should hire me automatically. I studied engineering. I shouldn't have to prove myself. Stop. Every one of those statements is career suicide. Entitlement thinking says, I deserve this because of what I have. Execution thinking says, I'll earn this because of what I do. The economy doesn't care about your certificates. It cares about your contribution. Your SILS was supposed to teach you this lesson, but most students missed it in school. Study, pass, get praised, reward, certificate. I in industry, solve problems, deliver results, reward, respect. During your SILS presentation, ask yourself, are you showing what you learned or what you contributed? Entitlement version. I was exposed to various aspects of petroleum engineering. Execution version. I identified a drilling inefficiency costing $2 million monthly and fixed it. Aliko Dango didn't become Africa's richest man because he deserved it. He executed relentlessly. Tony Elumelu didn't build a banking empire because of certificates. He delivered results. In Nigeria, respect is earned through delivery. Opportunities go to contributors, not credentials. Survival requires execution, not explanation. Wrong mindset. I've been here 6 months. I should be promoted. Right mindset. In 6 months, I saved 8 million. Here's how I can double that. Here are your 5 execution weapons. 1. Proof over promise. Show what you've done. 2. Problems over position. Focus on solving, not titles. Free value over validation. Contribute first. For growth over grades, keep improving. 5. Action over assumption. Execute first, expect later. Transform your SILS presentation using these. Don't describe, demonstrate. Present your value, not your experience. Remember, Nigeria doesn't need more entitled graduates. It needs more value creators. While others demand opportunities, you create them. While they explain why they deserve success, you'll deliver it. Execution beats entitlement. Always.